When it comes to building an operations team, there's no secret recipe that works for everyone. But after years of trial and error, I've discovered a set of steps that I swear by. Welcome to Scaling for Success. We are all about helping businesses grow profitably, scale, and move to the next level. If you're looking for consultancy and mentorship that really makes a difference, subscribe to our channel or visit the Scaling Management Consulting Group website. Links are in the description below. If you're struggling to build an operation team that can support your business, try these steps. Step number 1, understand the needs of your business. It's easy to get carried away with hiring people that you think will be great for your team, but you need to understand what your business actually needs first. Ask yourself, what gaps do we have in our operations? What kind of people do we need to fill those gaps? Step 2, write a clear job description. Once you've identified the role you need to fill, you've got to write a clear job description that outlines the responsibilities, qualifications, and expectations for each role. Be sure to include information about the company, the culture, the values, so you can attract candidates that fit well with your team. Step 3, cast a wide net. Do not limit yourself only to posting on job openings on your company website or job boards. Use social media, LinkedIn, industry-specific networks to reach a wider pool of candidates because you never know where that perfect candidate might be hiding. Step number 4, don't rush the interview process. Take your time with the interview. Meet with the candidates multiple times. Ask detailed questions about their experience. And be sure to include other members of your team in that interview process. You want to make sure that you're hiring the right person for the job and not rushing through the interview because that can lead to a costly hiring mistake. Step number 5, emphasize training and development. Even the most qualified candidate will still need training and development when they start a new job. Make sure you have a plan in place to onboard new hires and provide ongoing training and development opportunities. This will help your team members grow in their roles and contribute more to your business. Step number 6, foster a positive team culture. Your operations team will spend a lot of time working together, so it's important to foster a positive team culture. This means encouraging collaboration, recognizing and rewarding team members' contributions, and promoting open communication. A strong team culture will make your operations team more productive, creative, and engaged. Step number 7, have fun. Building an operations team can be a lot of work, but it can also be fun. And don't be afraid to inject some humor and personality into your recruiting and training if that's who you are. Host team building events, celebrate successes. Make sure everyone on your team feels valued and appreciated. So in conclusion, building an operations team can be a challenging process, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to assembling a team that can take your business to the next level. Remember to take the time to understand your business needs, cast a wide net when you're searching for candidates, and emphasize training, culture, and fun in your team building efforts. Happy hiring!
Like this video if you found it helpful. And for more content just like this, subscribe to our channel or visit the Scaling Management Consultant Group website at scalinggrp.com or our new website at scalingresources.com.